All right, hey guys, Austin here with Bullish Breed Trading. Today I'm going to take you through a trade that I took on Friday. This is a live execution that I had recorded. It was on the NASDAQ. I took two contracts. It was a short trade. I made over $800 on it. Let me take you through it. So the idea is that we were coming into the morning and we looked weak. We had this market structure from this 8:30 news back here, and we were holding support at 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, and my idea was that if we break this low, I'm going to look to take it short with a protective stop above and ride the move down. I had some support from an earlier support from the week before that I figured the market could probably sell down to. And, my idea was that we're looking weak and that I want to get in with a tight stop and play the move down. So I'm looking for a close beneath these lows right here. This is lows a day. This wick, all these wicks right here, a lot of buying. So this big bearish candle that's coming down looks good to take a short against. And if I fast forward it, I'm looking at this area right here. I wanted to hold below, take a short on a retest. So fast forward it. Okay, so what I did right here is I set my stop first, right? That was my goal. My goal was to set my stop first. So let's see when I push it. Just so you guys can see that the main thing with trading is not profits, but it's capital protection. You want to protect your capital. So I buy two. I want to go short, so I want to buy two as a protective stop loss. When you're shorting, you are selling, so you must buy back when you want to get out. So I don't want to see price go above that area. So what I'm looking for right here is I want price to push up into these wicks, and I want to get short in this area. I think I even got a pretty bad fill on this. So fast forward, okay. All right, so it's starting to push back up. It's starting to push back up. I'm looking to get short. Let's see when okay, I get short right in this area, right? So as long as it holds beneath that last 5-minute high, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. If we push back down to lows a day, it's a really good risk to reward. So the trade starts going against me immediately, and I think it goes against me for a while. I probably could have got even a better entry, so I'll fast forward a little more. All right, so I was down like 400 on the trade. See how it came up and wicked that 9 exponential moving average? That's this blue line coming down. That is showing me if it can't close above that moving average. To me, it's very bearish. Sellers are in control, confirming my short thesis. I want to go with the trend. I don't want to fight the trend. I'm a small fry in a big ocean. A small fish in a big ocean. All right, so next candle comes out. We close pretty bullish engulfing, and then immediately it starts selling back off again. It's using that area that we got short against as support. So those wicks right there are big. So let me fast forward a little bit. Okay, so then right here, after the trade starts moving in my favor, I throw out a buy order. So I'm short, so I want to buy back. So my goal is lows a day. That's where the R to R is. I want to get out of this trade towards the lows. So I go ahead and I sell one contract, or I put a limit order out for one contract to be sold at lows of day. So I change my order. I go back down to quantity, and I buy one, right? So this is to protect myself. All right, so then let me fast forward a little bit. Market starts chopping around. See, I had these zones down here that I mapped out from the week before, and I had them planned out from pre-market. So I knew that if the market was going to sell off, there would be a lot of buyers stepping in down at those levels. So the risk to reward looked good. All right, so it got a little hesitant, more than I'd like, but we closed pretty bearish, higher volume. You can see right here, got this big volume on the sell-off at the break of the lows. We got short on the retest, smaller volume on the buy side. That's not bullish, right? Then another bearish engulfing candle, big volume, but sellers are definitely in control, right? So what I like to do is I like to sell one contract at the lows, and I like to move my stop back to break even, and then just have a runner. But since it was Friday It's been a good week for me. I was already up decent. I just decided that, taking this off right here, the whole thing seemed like the move because, it's $800 trade. It's $800 day. Like, I mean, there's not many places you can make $800 in the first hour and a half, so you have to be grateful for what the market gives you and be grateful that, these steals. So I get out there and I think I ended up just exiting the whole thing right here. And that was it.